This is not magic. This is a real science experiment. Dip your hands in the juice of the lemon peel. Give the balloon a touch. The balloon will pop. Want to burn the ashes after the bracelet? Put it on your hand and rub it. Your hands won't get wet, and apply it to your clothes. Your clothes will be waterproof. 2. The light of the laser pointer is straight in the fish tank. If you add some cooking oil to the water, the light that passes through the oil is actually refracted. If you fill the bottom of the tank with salt water, the light can actually be bent. Stuff the waste paper into the cup. Buckle upside down into the water. The waste paper still won't get wet after taking it out. Place the 3 batteries close to the fork that is swung into a triangle. The coin in the middle will spin up and rip it off. A glue that sticks to a document. The paper will be damaged, but just hold the glue with both hands. We can get the glue off the paper in one piece. Pierce 2 holes at each end of the egg, and blow the liquid out of the egg with a balloon. You'll have a whole egg shell. Then soak the egg shells in white vinegar for a day. You've got another egg balloon. Attach the gauze to the bottle. Water can enter the bottle through the gauze, but if you turn the bottle upside down, but the water doesn't come out, just soak a dried out pine tower in boiling water. The pine tower will be reassembled. The glass rods are visible in the water. Put glass rods in cooking oil. Why would they just disappear? Pay attention to me. The next episode will be even better.